Hey guys, it's me Bailey here, and today it's Bonfire Night. Bonfire Night is a holiday in the UK where we let off lots of fireworks.
You ready, Bailey?
Lots of fireworks to let off. Here's a firework light that just failed. I'm here with Chloe, Luna, Luann and Bailey. It's a pattern really because it's the youngest half. And these two are the youngest of the youngest, and these two are the oldest of the youngest. What are we having after fireworks? We're roasting marshmallows and s'mores. Yeah, s'mores. If you were wondering why the others out here, they didn't want to do it, and they didn't want to dress up. Hey, there's lots of smoke coming towards us.
No.
Grandma wet up the fire because.
Yes, she did.
Because Grandma went out the fire, let out the fire because she put some wet wood in it, and water and fire don't mix well. Water puts out fire, doesn't it? Yeah. All right, are you ready, girls? Yeah. Let's see. All right. Whoa. Is that? Whoa, that was loud. I wonder if the other girls are watching from upstairs. Yeah, I think I see them.
That's the small cooker.
They're the small cooker. Yes, Bailey, the small cooker.
We can get out tomorrow.
I like s'mores. They're so delicious, right, Luna? Yes, friend, you're right. Are you ready for this rocket? Yeah! Let's see. Let's see. Whoa, did you see that? Did you see that, Grandma?
Yeah.
Did you see it, kids? Yeah! That is so cool!
Send me one for Grandma.
Shut up. One for Grandma.
Whoa!
This is for great Grandma, by the way.
Damn squid.
Damn squid.
Did that one go good?
Okie dokie. Bailey, do you want to choose a firework? Yeah. I'm going to choose. Let's choose a firework. Which firework do you want to choose?
Right, we're looking for a firework. Square, maybe?
Ooh, Sona. Can I choose Sona? You choose Sona, huh? Let's go. Can anybody guess what holiday is next after Bonfire Night? Christmas! Yes, Christmas is next. What about Thanksgiving? Honey, we don't celebrate Thanksgiving in England. It's actually Great Grandma's birthday on December the 4th. Cool. Grandma. Let's see your the Sona firework. Yeah.
See if you can get warm, feel.
Stay back!
Your bed's saved.
Here we go, to the one.
Alright! Whoa! That's so cool.
Whoa! Wow. Is there two in there, Ed?
Yeah.
Wow! Luann, do you want to choose?
Yeah, we
Oh, but that's down.
Okay, Luann, you've got some fireworks. I know you can't really see, guys. So, Luann, which
Any water,
firework do
pass
you?
it
I want like this one. So she chooses this one. It's called Orbit Boom. Yeah, Orbit Boom. Okie dokie, Luann. Are you ready? Kind of. Yeah. Totally ready. Well. Yeah, I'm so ready. Oh, what is it? I'm gonna run out. Chloe, no.
You ready?
Yeah. Let's
Here we go.
go. Oh, do you see it, girls? Oh, look. Oh, it's a boring one, not good. That's rubbish. Luna?
Is that all we do?
I want to go extreme! Extreme! Okay, go. Okay, girls. S'mores! You want s'mores, do you?
Here we go, Dale.
Let's see. This is a rocket. You. Oh. So cool. That is rad. Luna, do you want to pick one? Yeah. Oh, I've found something which has your name written all over it. Luna. Luna, look. Luna, this is your name.
What's that called?
Let's go. Are you excited? Yeah. I think it's another rocket. Wow. That is red. Go.
Stay close there.
Mum, yes, Chloe. What if you put a firework in the fire bin? Yeah.
We don't know which way it'll go. It could go. This is.
I'm ready. Yeah, you. Yeah. I smell fire. Wow.
Here we go, double.
Wow. Who's ready for s'mores? We're going to have a few more rockets and then we're going to have some s'mores.
Two rockets now.
Double rocket time. Whoa! Whoa! How was that? Good! Ouch!
Who's that?
I fell on the floor.
Golden rocket there.
What about a s'more?
Yeah, let's do some s'mores.
S'mores.
S'more time, kids!
Right.
Yippee! It's s'more time! S'mores! Yay! OMG! I'm so excited for s'mores. S'more time! Yay! S'mores! Yum!
There you go, Dale. I feel safe. You go first. Hold this chimney, please. Don't put it right in, just over the top.
Alright, here I go.
That's it.
I'm so scared.
Don't be scared.
Alright,
Be confident.
okay. I'm doing it.
That's
Girls
it.
are so excited to have their s'mores.
Go in. Turn it round a bit, Dale.
Way, that's
There you
gonna
go,
be
it's
so
melting.
nice that. But be careful when you put it to your mouth, it's going to be hot to do it later.
Yeah, don't put it right to your mouth yet. Turn it around on the other side, Belle, so you do that side. You need something to put that between.
Wow, that'll probably be lovely that.
Yeah, it's going to be right there.
So much heat comes out,
Wow,
even though the
it's
fire's not at the
roasted,
top.
yeah, I know. Careful, Belle, don't put it on the metal.
Right,
Watch.
come on, hold it back a bit now, Bale. Stand back a bit, let it
What are
cool
you going to put it
down.
between, Belle?
Alright, I'm gonna...
Well, she can eat it like that. She's just got to
I've
give
got an
it a
idea.
sec to cool.
I've got
What?
an idea.
What?
If we put the stick right through it, we can just rest it across the top and just turn it.
It'll
when
probably, chances are, burn the stick.
we want. Oh, this is perfect. Look.
Well, it'll probably burn the stick. Try it now, Bale.
Yeah.
Try it towards you. It's not too hot now. Try it.
Be careful.
It's all right, love. But oh, it's cooled right down. Honestly, love, I wouldn't do it to you.
Mmm.
It's like it. Is it crispy?
Yeah, it's very good.
Can I have a taste?
Yeah.
Oh, Dad, quite nice actually.
Mmm. Who wants to do some s'mores first?
They're nice, aren't they? That's plenty now, that
I
is.
know you want
Wow.
Roasted. Roasted marshmallow.
Roasted.
So guys, we're going to leave you there. Bye.